how to install Facebook on laptop Windows 10. So if you want to install Facebook on your laptop Windows 10, then it's the same process for Windows 10 or 11. So what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Just go with your Wi-Fi or your network connection and make sure that you have connected to a network. And once you've connected to a network, now what you need to do is you just need to simply search for Store or Microsoft Store. And here you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go for search, which is on the upper side. And once you're here on the search, you need to search for Facebook. So once you've searched, you will have the Facebook application right here. So in order to install this application, then you just need to simply click on Facebook. Once you click on Facebook, now here you will have an install option. So if you want to install or if you want to download the Facebook application, then simply click on install. And once you click on install, it will start the install process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download or install the application. So just wait for some time. So it just got installed, right? So once it's installed, you just need to simply click on launch, which is on the bottom right, or you can simply go with open, which is here on the left side. Once you click on open, then your Facebook application will be open, and then you can log in or create your account and use your Facebook. So you can also go with your Windows search, and then you can search for Facebook. Once you've searched, here you will get the application. So that's how you can download and install Facebook on your laptop on Windows 10. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.